Cakers, Mitzi from Michi Cakes here. Today I'm going to be showing you a different way to put writing on your cakes, this time using custom-made stencils and buttercream. First, you need to purchase a Cricut. They're not super cheap, which is one of the reasons I've avoided making this video for quite a while, but once you do purchase it, there's all sorts of things you can do with it. Once you purchase the Cricut, you want to go into the design space, then click on the text button to start writing the text you want to put on your cake. I like to make the text letter by letter versus writing out the whole word so that I can adjust where the letters end up. Then you can choose which font you want to use. You can either use the ones that Cricut provides or download fonts externally. Here I'm writing Mom, and once you're happy with it, you want to prepare the project to be cut. I like to move it so it's not too close to the edge of the mat. Then you want to grab the actual mat you'll print the stencil on, as well as the material you're printing on. I like to use vinyl, which I'll link down below as well. Next, you'll want to load the mat onto the Cricut and then press the button to start the cutting. Now you've created the stencil and it's time to apply it to the cake. You want to first chill your cake very well so that it won't be damaged when stenciling. You want to peel off the stencil, then carefully place it on the cake where you want the letters to be. For letters like O's where they have a bigger piece in the middle, I use tweezers to carefully place that part of the stencil in. Once your stencil is placed on very well, get some very soft buttercream and use a small spatula to spread a thin layer of the buttercream to the stencil. If you're planning to paint the letters with gold, you can tint your buttercream with a gold color. However, I like to keep it white since I think the gold looks better on it. Next, if you're painting it gold, I like to use this type of fan-out paintbrush to apply a thin layer of the gold mixture to the cake. Then comes the fun part, peeling the vinyl and seeing what's underneath. Don't forget to remove the centerpieces of the letters like the O here. For the other letters that need holes, like the P's and the A's, I use a flat toothpick to create the holes manually. And there you have it. It can be a little bit of a process and it requires the use of a Cricut machine, but the end product to me is really worth it. Let me know what you think, and if you try it out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Michi Cakes. Thanks for watching. See you next time.